it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Hi, I don't always wear blue lipstick, so let's just get that twice. Alright guys, hi, it's Sweetie Pie aka Melissa aka Sweetie Pie. Hey, how are you? I'm still bummed about YouTube. Ugh, I'm gonna push it out of my mind. Anyway guys, so the reason why I'm wearing this ridiculously blue lip is not because it goes with my eye look, because in all honesty it don't. But I purchased two of the Sephora, their new lipsticks. I'll put the name of them right here, or maybe it'll say on here. La 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 la. No, it doesn't. This is, ooh, these are made in Italy. Lipstick Stories, and this is the one in Ouch. Beautiful, cool packaging. It's kind of like some of the ones that Tarte did a while ago with like the paper packaging and then it's plastic inside. These are $10, which is actually kind of expensive for a like Sephora lipstick, and in all honesty, like this is really pretty and everything with the hashtag metal, but these are so gritty and like I don't know, if all the metals are like this, it'd be cute for like a picture, like, that'd be a cute picture, but this is just gritty and, oh, my teeth. Need to whiten. Sorry guys, but yeah, I'm not into this. There was another one that is right here that is absolutely gorgeous, and this is in the color Off Limits. Now this is one of their matte formula. This one is pretty, like, oh my gosh, it is such a pretty matte purple. So I don't know, you might want to stay away from the what are these? The metal ones from the Lip Stories. They're pretty gritty and I wasn't into it, but I did want to show them to you guys just so that I didn't have to do like a whole video on it because I was not into that. But yeah, Lip Stories, not so much. Today we're actually going to be talking about palettes that I love looking at but would never buy. And I think I have like 6 different palettes that I want to talk about to you guys. So yeah, if you guys would like to see that, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe if you guys would like to actually see my videos, because they're probably going to be demonetized in like less than a month, and you guys probably will not get to see my videos in the up bar anymore. I don't know how exactly YouTube is working that. So make sure you subscribe so that you guys can see my pretty face again. Alright guys, let's get into this video. So yeah, I actually put on Off Limits for you guys so you could see what it looks like. They're super opaque. The mattes, that one, and it's like kind of an odd color, so you can kind of expect that most of the mattes will be pretty good if they can pull off a color like that. Alright guys, anyway, back to what we're actually talking about today. I have like all my notes and I took screenshots of all the palettes. Now all of these palettes are actually, you can purchase from Sephora. They are all Natasha Denona, Violet Voss, Pat McGrath, Viseart, and like there's a couple more in the list. So I'm just going back and I'm going to like go to my screenshots on my phone so that I feel like when I can see them, you know, it's just better. For some reason, I don't know why. But we're going to go from least expensive to most expensive. So the first one that I have is the Sephora. The Sephora Pro Editorial Palette. These palettes are $85 Canadian. That's insane. Alright, but I was like doing a little bit of like, not research, but just light work, and I did find out that I didn't realize I paid so much for the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. That was $83, so honestly, I was thinking like, which one I like would have wanted more, and I don't know, I'm really happy with my Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, but that editorial palette is really cool. Oh, no, I love the Kat Von D eyeshadow formula, and this one you don't know because it's the Sephora brand. Sometimes they can just be hit and miss. Like the lipsticks, you know, with the metallics being like gritty and weird, like come on, like nobody saw that. Anyway, so the first one is the Sephora Pro Collection Editorial, $85, never gonna happen. I probably will never purchase that palette, but it is beautiful. The next one is from Viseart, and it is their editorial mattes that I like, and, or no, it's the editorial brights and the dark mattes. And oh my gosh, like I love looking at pictures because like the editorial, or yeah, the editorial brights is gorgeous. Like, it's just gorgeous. And like, the reasoning behind it is, a lot of the reasoning is because, one, I've heard people talk about Viseart, and I've heard people say, like, you know, oh goodness, I'm just blanking on her name. Clark. What is it? Oh, Courtney Clark. Is it Courtney? Oh my gosh, I'm totally skipping on her name. I'll put her. She is so awesome. She is like the inventor of anti-hauls. And yeah, she talks about them, and she was like, you know what, they were good, but they weren't like overly amazingly awesome. So I hold back, because as much as these are so pretty, what is this one? This one is the dark mattes. So gorgeous. But in all honesty, I really can't see myself spending $100 on eyeshadow, because I can get so many good eyeshadows for a heck of a lot cheaper than that. All right, next one. Oh, okay. So these ones weren't as hard as some of the palettes in this list, and it is the Pat McGrath Mothership palettes, and they are at a whopping $170 freaking dollars. I will throw up a picture. I'm gonna be, obviously you can see that I'm throwing up pictures, but I found the one in Subversive. That was the only one that really caught my eye. The rest of them, I don't know, the colors just seem kind of like weirdly placed, so it didn't bother me to like say, well, no, I can't afford that. But yeah, $170, and there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades of eyeshadow. Holy moly, that is insane. Natasha Denona. The one thing that is brand new is her blush palette in Citrus. It's right here. It's $115. I would love that. I would seriously love that. I'm like staring at pictures of that right now. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then also she has a $305 palette, which it contains a crap ton of eyeshadows. I can see right here 70 grams at 2.47, and well, how many are in there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there's 28 eyeshadows in there. That's freaking, oh, the purple one is so pretty. But also the Lila palette is just drop dead gorgeous. It really is. It's just so pretty. Purples are my calling, and I'm sure these purples would be so beautiful. But yeah, I don't think I will ever bite the bullet on $162 for the Lila palette. No. Alright guys, so I have one last one, and then I just wanted to talk about a product that I did touch on, and the Violet Voss Ride or Die palette is $98. And I did just do a review this weekend on the hashtag palette, which was $60. And I was like, well, the Ride or Die palette has 40 eyeshadows for $98, almost $100. It would probably be like $115 with tax. So I'm kind of like torn, because I'm like, well, I wouldn't purchase, you know, like I purchased the Ride or Die palette, or not the Ride or Die palette, I purchased the hashtag palette for $60, $40 more, and you get like twice as many eyeshadows. Melissa, like duh. And it looks like the Ride or Die palette has quite a few of those like berry type tones as well. So I don't know. I don't know where my thinking is a lot of the time in these like palettes. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy some of my new content. I'm gonna like dive away from reviews as much now and stop buying quite as much makeup. My collection is so full right now. I really want to practice some, you know, like cautious buying, and try to do a few more, you know, just other videos that will interest you guys. So if you guys have anything that you guys want me to review or do demos on, or if there's anything you guys want me to talk about, you know, collection wise or anything like that, make sure you guys tell me in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!